Hey everyone, welcome back to Developer Console. Today I'll show you how to create your own QR code generator in Python and I'll explain each and every line so you can understand it clearly. No need for any online website that is fully offline QR code generator. You can make it in just a few minutes. Let's jump right into it. First, at the very top, we will write import QR code. So this line simply imports the QR code library in Python. It's the one that helps us generate QR code easily. If you don't have it installed, just open your terminal and type pip install QR code. That's it. It'll install everything you needed. Next, we will create a small function to make a code neat and reusable. We'll write daf define create QR code in the parameters link and file name. This line defines a function called QR code. It takes two things as input, the link you want to convert into a QR code and the file name you want to save it as. Inside this function, we'll start by creating the QR code object. QR equal to QR code dot QR code, version equal to 1, boxes equal to 10, border equal to 5. So here what happens, we are creating a QR code with three main settings. Version equal to 1, this means the smallest QR code size, good for short links. You can increase it for longer URL links. Box size equal to 10. This means each tiny square in the QR will be 10 pixel wide. Border equal to 5 adds a nice white border around the QR code. You can think of it like creating the frame for your QR code. Next, we'll add the data. That's the actual link we want inside the QR. QR.add data. Inside this, we have to feed the link. This tells the QR code, hey, this is the link you want to store. Then we write QR.make in the parameters fit equal to true. This line means automatically adjust the QR code size so it perfectly fits our data. Now let's make the actual image. QR image equal to QR.make image fill equal to black, back color equal to white. So here we are saying create the QR image with black dots on a white background. You can even change the colors if you want. For example, blue and yellow. Now that's our QR image is ready. We'll save it. QR image.save filename.png. This saves the QR code as a PNG image using whatever file name the user gave. Then we'll print a confirmation message. Print QR code saved as filename.png. So the user knows the file name is successfully saved. Now let's come out of the function and ask the user for their link. Link equal to input, enter the link. Here Python will ask you to type the link you want to make a QR code for. It could be a website, YouTube video or any link you like. Next we'll ask for the file name. File name equal to input, enter the file name to save as. So this is where you want to type what the name you want the file name to be saved with. For example, if you type myqr, it will save as a myqr.png in your project folder. Now finally, we will call our function to generate the QR code. Create QR code, link, file name, print QR codes created successfully. This line runs everything we just made and creates your QR code image in seconds. Then Python prints a message QR code created successfully. And that's it. You just build your own QR code generator in Python step by step. No websites, no redirects, everything offline, safe and easy. You can scan any QR code with your phone camera and it directly opens your link instantly. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Developer Console for more amazing coding videos and mini projects like this. I'm Hari from Developer Console and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!